A prosecutor takes a cane to a convicted criminal. The man and 5 other family members received public whippings of 5 to 8 lashes for playing poker for money at a coffee shop. Such floggings have significantly increased recently in Aceh, not only for gambling, but also for drinking alcohol and relationships deemed illicit. Violators face a choice of caning, jail time, or paying a fine in gold. Sharia police squads target women for immodest dress, such as wearing tight-fitting clothing or not keeping their hair under a scarf. Both women and men can be nabbed for exposing their legs. Local civil rights advocates, such as Ayu Ningsi, say Sharia law was not wanted nor needed in a place already, as she puts it, 99% Islamic.
Aparat yang menjalankan
Officers enforcing Sharia law wrongly interpret it. Women end up being the primary targets.
Aceh's legislature recently approved harsher penalties for an expanded list of offenses, including extramarital and gay sex. And the province's lawmakers also voted to apply Sharia law to Aceh's 90,000 non-Muslims, including foreigners. That has led to fears that if the province's governor signs off on the law, Catholics, for example, will no longer be able to properly celebrate Mass, since communion involves sipping sacramental wine.
I think they have the right to celebrate communion, whatever they want, but of course, in their own, premise, no problem, in the church, in the house, but not on the street, simply it will provoke.
It is not only Christians who have felt increasingly threatened in Aceh. The province's previous governor in 2011 declared that several non-Sunni Muslim sects were following what he termed deviant teachings.
Different groups, different factions, different schools, and so on, they are there. But of course, we don't want to have a kind of conflict. That's communication. I think this the present governor is so aware of this kind of, a kind of tension.
There is also concern the increasing fundamentalism will attract militants to a region home to past Islamic insurgencies, and that could deter investment for a province rich in resources, such as offshore oil and gas, mining, coffee, and rubber, not to mention pristine Sumatran beaches that have ample room for many more tourists. Steve Herman, VOA News, Banda Aceh, Indonesia.